Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to make reverse TikTok videos in your Android mobile. And this method almost works for all Android and iOS devices, so don't worry about your device. And here I show you within 2 minutes. So first of all, I try to open my TikTok application via my new Android mobile, and then complete your login or sign up processes. And this is my homepage section. So first of all, I try to make the one normal video. By same way, you can press that plus icon and the middle icon, and then my mobile camera is automatically turned on. So here you can press that red color video icon to start your recording. But the maximum time limit of this TikTok video is only 15 seconds. So I try to initializing. So once your content is successfully captured, now you can release your finger to stop the recording, and then press that arrow icon for go to the next level. So here it shows my preview of my video. So if you want to add more effects, you can use this section. But in this section, you can press that special effects. And this feature is located at the bottom and the first one. So here it shows two effects column. The first one is filter effects and the another one is time effects. So I try to select time effects because we are making the reverse TikTok videos. So it is based on time intervals. So you can select it. Then it shows three effects, and the first one is reverse, and the second one is flash, and the final one is slow motion. But our tutorial is about reverse, so I try to select reverse. But if you want to make the slow motion videos, don't decrease your time intervals. Just simply use this slow motion option. So here I try to press reverse. So now you can see. So it shows preview of my recorded video, and all the things are going backward. And this video is called as reverse video. So once you select this feature, finally you can click to save all the changes, and then click to share this video to your timeline. So finally this trick works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily make your reverse TikTok videos by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.